A for aeroplane. Aeroplane means हवाई जहाज. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for car. Car means car. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for frog. Frog means मेंढक. G for goat. Goat means बकरी. H for hen. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jet. Jet means jet विमान. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion में शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for quartz. Quartz means crystal घड़ी. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for sunflower. Sunflower means सूर्यमुखी. T for train. Train means रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means van. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Yacht means now. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.